Did you know most people ignore financial red flags? These warning signs can lead to stress and money problems. Recognizing them early is crucial. Today, we'll break down 7 financial red flags and guide you on fixing each one. Let's dive in. First, you don't know where your money goes. This is financial blindness. A surprise at month end is common for many. Overspending, inconsistent savings, and anxiety may follow. To address this, track your expenses for 30 days. Use a notebook if you prefer, jot down everything. Transportation, food, and subscriptions count. You'll uncover shocking truths. Awareness alone may reduce spending by 20–30%. Visible money is easier to manage. Next, relying on future money for today's problems is dangerous. Statements like, "I'll pay next month," signal financial postponement. This mindset leads to debt cycles and pressure. Address your problems with today's income. If expenses exceed earnings, reconsider your money management. Change starts now. The third red flag is having little or no emergency savings. Would an unexpected expense collapse your finances? Most people live on the edge. An emergency fund is essential. Start with 1 week of expenses saved. Aim for 1 month, then eventually 3. Small, consistent savings build security. Fourth, your debt is growing faster than you can pay it off. High-interest loans and credit card debt create danger. When debts lead to new borrowing, it's critical to act. First, stop creating new debt. List debts from smallest to largest. Choose a repayment method, debt snowball or avalanche. Pay extra on one debt while maintaining others. The fifth red flag is living paycheck to paycheck, despite good earnings. Money vanishing right after payday is common. This reflects lifestyle problems, not income issues. Lifestyle creep could be to blame. Freeze your lifestyle. Avoid upgrades when earnings increase. Save a fixed percentage and automate savings and bills. The sixth red flag is not having a future money plan. Without a roadmap, your progress is random. Identify whether you have a retirement plan or financial goals. Write down 3 money goals with timeframes. Consider short-term, mid-term, and long-term goals. Goals guide your money flow. Finally, believing more money will fix everything is a dangerous mindset. If you can't manage $100,000, more money won't fix the issue. Better habits matter more than income. Start mastering your current income. Focus on budgeting, saving, and intentional spending. In conclusion, these 7 financial red flags are warning signs. They show the need for better habits and systems. Let's recap. 1. You don't know where your money goes. 2. You rely on future money. 3. You have few emergency savings. 4. Your debt is growing. 5. You live paycheck to paycheck. 6. You lack a money plan. 7. You think more money will solve everything. Awareness is the first step toward your financial freedom. If today's video helped you, feel empowered. You're now equipped to change your financial future. Subscribe to Money Matrix for more insights on wealth and money management. See you next time.